range and drop the top. Move it, move the range and drop the top. Move. Talk to me. Yeah, look. I'm again, Angie. You outside? Hold on. Yeah, nah, come true. Alright, good. Yeah, Angie. I'm skunked, man. Like, you see me or what?
Nothing.
So, man, you walk straight to me kitchen like I feed you, G.
Alright, but I'm sorry, G.
Want me to play Mortal Kombat? One thing you dark half by? No, dog, I wake up this morning coughing steady skate. Hey, don't watch no more. You gotta go in now.
One brother just
Why you
come
coughing
in.
up my kitchen like you sick, G? Is what you want buy bleach? Yeah. Why you gonna like bleach just do anything, right? Scunt one cough against you, what happen? Okay, you going on stupid, right? You know what, fire them up. Oh, look, you jackass, so take down your scunch and just catch it.
Enter through the exit while I exit through the entrance. Live, I got beyond the fine, go check it up, nobody listen, check it.